I thought I had a bunch of old Lord of the Rings drawings, but I just had this unfinished drawing of Liv Tyler as Arwen. But I found other old drawings. This is Elizabeth Bennet from Pride and Prejudice. And this is Dr. House. And Dr. House again. Oh, this is from the movie P.S. I Love You. I don't know which movie is this from, but it's James McAvoy. And this is Jared Butler. I loved him after Phantom of the Opera. He's a role Jared Butler. Oh, this is Gaius from Merlin. And again, Merlin and Prince Arthur. This is the Parker from the show Leverage. Look at the details on that jacket. Wow.